Castellum CTM is jumped from as much as 49 cents as of yesterday, as you can see here with the dip. And as of right now, at this very moment, we are up 11.3% at around 66 cents a share. But here's the part that nobody's talking about. Why are investors still frustrated even after a move like this? So, if you're holding a stock like Castellum CTM, watching this stock closely, please subscribe and hit the like button below. And also, please feel free to comment, as I do read every comment in the comment section, and I love to see what it is you guys are thinking. Now, I personally remember when I first bought Castellum CTM, I saw this as a seriously undervalued company. The revenue growth, the improving financials, and the debt being wiped out. And as of right now, it's been entirely wiped out. As we do know, they wiped out their debt completely last year. Now, it felt like a no-brainer. The only thing is, what's been frustrating is the price action, because you see this company, and if you're holding it, you watch the company improve as a business, but the stock itself keeps plummeting. Because as you see here, it's been free falling as of the past month, and it's gone down in value as much as 50%. So the disconnect really does mess with your head, especially if you are a long-term believer in the company. Fast forward to right now, you do see here that CTM, though it's been getting crushed over the past few weeks, you do see here that it's pushing up to about 65 cents a share. Yesterday, we were down another 10% when we hit the 49-cent range. We were down 10%, and within a matter of minutes to somewhere about, like, I would say about 20 to 25 minutes, we shot up from loss on 10% on the day all the way up to a gain on 10% of the day. That kind of move on a microcap is not normal. Typically what that is that's momentum, volatility, and a possible short-term pressure flipping. But we do have to be real. Frustration hasn't gone away. You've got continuous insider selling in the past, which has clearly hurt the confidence of the investors. And then on the flip side, insider buying doesn't really help, but it's small, almost too small to really make the sentiment change, to shift the sentiment, because the overall sentiment, especially with all the people I see in the community from Reddit and Discord and all the people that I know that are interested in Castellum CTM, what I think is people truly believe that there's not enough conviction with the insiders of Castellum CTM. The people that are employees, even the CEO Glenn Ives, they feel like they have not been buying enough shares of the company. Now, what this move could mean is that this type of sharp bounce could mean a few things: short-term reversal after being oversold, shorts covering positions, or just typical microcap volatility. But one green day doesn't erase weeks of downside, and you need to stay grounded here, because as we do see, again, this has not been erased even with the short-term move that we had yesterday and this morning so far. And what I do want you guys to know is that there's something that I had to learn personally the hard way. You cannot put all your eggs in one basket. Even if you believe in Castellum CTM long term, you still need more stable positions that have already proven their way, and it shows up in the financials as they show profitability. And it could be a few things. It could be showing how they've cut down their losses, they wiped out their debt, they have revenue growing year over year, they're now a profitable company, things of that nature. You need to have companies like that in your portfolio as well. And you also need to have things such as ETFs. You need to make sure that you do the basic stuff as well. You need to if you're going to take risky stocks like Castellum CTM, that is a microcap and is very volatile and has high risk, you do need to make sure that in your position, in your portfolio, you do have more stable positions as well. Again, just do the basic thing, guys. Invest into the S&P 500, have Roth IRAs, and invest in individual companies that have already proven themselves. For example, you can invest in Google, Nvidia if you want something cheaper, maybe something along the lines of SoFi to hold for the long term. You need to make sure that you do that, especially if you're someone like me that does take investments in riskier stocks like Castellum. Because when a stock, again, if you do see this in your portfolio, it really can mess with your head if you see a stock go down in your portfolio going down as much as 50%, and it will make it even worse if that is all you have. You have a low amount of cash, you have a small cash position, like you've been all in on the stock, and you don't have anything else in your portfolio. That really can mess with your head. And at the end of the day, CTM is one of those stocks where the fundamentals are improving, but the stock price is still fighting sentiment. And until that changes, expect volatility like this for time to come. If you want real updates on Castellum, CTM, LAS, and stocks like this, please subscribe. I'm posting consistently and keeping you ahead of what's actually going on. And quick reminder, if you are interested and you do need help finding stocks, you need help identifying stocks for your short-term day trades, swing trades, or if you're just a long-term investor and you need to find the best picks that are suitable for you and your portfolio and your risk tolerance, feel free to check out the link below with the Prophecy AI app. And if you are also looking to collaborate with like-minded investors such as me and you, please feel free to check out my free of charge InvestQ community, as we do have other investors that are on their journey and on the way to continue to grow their portfolios and continue to better and have a better quality, a better time with their whole journey in investing and trading. So, guys, InvestQ out. Keep making good decisions with your portfolio. Stay safe. Keep holding on cash for future opportunities, and I'll see you on the next video.